Hello, this is a 12-inch Edison box fan that I recently got. Well, recently as in probably a few weeks ago to a month. I wanted one of these small little box fans to hang up in my window, and this was on eBay for pretty cheap, as it's in pretty rough cosmetic condition, but there's no broken slats or anything on the grills. That's the worst of it right there. And then there's some rust in the bottom of the cabinet. Motor's in good shape. There's nothing wrong there. The blades were pretty warped, so I had to use a heat gun on full blast to kind of like help bend the blades back into shape, and they're back in true now, so it runs pretty smoothly. It still has the handle, and the little silver paint there is kind of flaking off a little bit, but it's still there. Knob is working. It's doing knob things. And yeah, it works great. I've been using this in my window here in the basement every day since I got it. It's really quiet. It's really lovely, very soft breeze from this. It's not ridiculously powerful, but it's a pleasant little fan to use. This is on 120 volts. This is low speed. Draw 0.5. Medium 0.68. High speed 1.15. It's all right. Yeah, it's just a pleasant running little fan, little box fan. Not much else to say about this. Hey, I'll probably repaint it at some point, and just fix it up a little bit. But it runs great. I'm happy with it. Like I said, it was pretty cheap, so I'm not too worried about the condition of it. But yeah, that'll conclude this. Later.